Up to now, do you have any kind of confusion? Whatever we discussed in our
Mm.
previous session?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Simply what? Okay. Hmm, I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you already know how to upload anything, right? How to upload any file, video, image to the database, right? Using your
Mm.
Hibernate. Is it okay, guys? Are you able to do this task?
Hmm.
For example, I is my program.
Yes, sir.
This is Hibernate.tutorial Java. Like upload servlet. So simply we are using now one servlet program. Okay, one servlet program, nothing more than this. Simply just let me revise within 1 or 2 minutes. Where is my okay, in the web folder, like upload.html.
Sir, this is can you after completing the sessions, can you share this code, sir? Servlet code just
No
only.
issues. I'll share the whole project. Okay. Simply
Yes.
just I'm explaining once more time now. Simply we are uploading one file. Upload your file. Nothing more than this. Okay, whenever we are uploading any binary data, right? We are using one encoding type multi-part form data, right? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Simply all the things you already know, select your file, input type, file name, file, whatever. Whenever I will click submit, where control will go? Control will go, right? Where control will go?
Upload servlet, sir.
Servlet.
Submit.
Servlet.
So simply let me go to the upload submit only. Simply control will go there. Just observe. So whenever we are using right upload, whenever our Salvate program will receive any kind of binary data, we are using another extra annotation, na multi-part config. Okay, already you know from the Salvate concept only. And nothing more than this, na simply we are writing one method like do post, a service method already you know. And nothing more than this, we are telling get part right file. Okay, na file part is pointing there finally. Get submitted file name, get content type, right? Yeah, this is MIME type only, na?
Yes.
Okay, nothing more than this. If you want, you can print. Otherwise, simply comment. Okay, we are creating one file. We are creating one file, right? And we are storing all the data inside this array, right? This is the array. This is
Yes.
the array. This is the array. Data is pointing to this array, right? And simply we are telling me, hey,
Byte
input
format.
physical file. Please read all bytes, right? Simply it will read all the bytes. Yes or no? Nothing more than this.
Yes.
Simply we are using
Yes, sir.
something. Okay. Then what we are doing, already data is available, guys. Already data is available. Simply we are creating one object only, right? Nothing
Hmm.
more, nothing complex here. How we are creating student object, new student, right? Then simply we are passing the value, nothing more than this. Should I show this entity class also? I think it's not required, right?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay, it's a very simple thing only. Nothing more than core Java. Okay, and already you know the session object, how to create the session object. It is required, this session object is required for us. Then we are
Get
creating
session
some-
method. Yes, sir. Get session factory call.
Huh.
Simply just observe here, we are
Yes, sir.
not writing anything, any query we are not writing. Everything will take care by the servant. I want it. We will take care by
Yeah.
we are using session.c, nothing more than this. Okay, new file entity, file name. Okay, file type data.
File type and data. Yeah.
Just observe. This is upload sample, right? Just observe. What is that? So I read my file entity. Let me show this one also for the last time. File entity, right? This is my file entity. Okay, is it clear? Any kind of confusion up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So can I run this program?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, at the rate log.
Sorry.
At the rate log annotations.
Okay. Is it not present? Okay, now it's present.
Yellow.
Large object. Okay.
Large object. Yes, sir. byte array data.
Class, nothing more than this. Just observe.
No, sir.
The
Yes.
class only any name, right? Any name you can use. File name, we are using file name as a primary key, so we are using @id annotation. And to store binary
type.
data, to store binary data, we are using large object annotation. Nothing more than this. @, no. Okay, remaining all the things is auto-generated, right?
Yes.
Method, getter method, constructor. Okay. Simply let me run once more time in front of you. Let me make here upload.html. Have you practiced this code? I think no, right? Or you didn't get the time. Run on server. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, up to now, any kind of confusion, please?
No, sir.
Faisal?
No, sir. No. No, sir.
Okay, I hope you will practice this code multiple times. If you don't practice, certainly it's quite difficult, not only for you, but also for anyone to understand or to write the program. Is my screen is visible right now? The browser is visible?
Yes.
No, not visible, sir.
Browser?
Browser
No.
not, sir.
Simply it is telling now, select your file. Okay, you can create your content, whatever, choose file. Okay, simply let me upload this one, right?
PNG.
Okay. Let me check my database.
Upload.
It's not that. What is the table name? Show tables. We are getting error now. Why? Unable to look at. Can you please tell me why we are getting error? Let me see. Okay, okay. Remember.
Low mapping.
Mhm.
In the util,
Mhm.
the mapping is not.
I think, sir, file entity in a configuration file, we are not
Mhm.
giving the
Mapping the-
mapping details, sir. Open the configuration file.
Right. Just observe now. Tablets are this, okay. Context path. Just observe now. It is telling unable to look at now persistent. Okay now. From.jx. Okay now this file entity. Simply let me check. Where should I check?
Util package, sir.
Configuration file. Where we are not using configuration file, right?
Yes, sir.
What we are using instead of
Hibernate util.
okay now. So can you please tell me what I should write here? cfg.annotate.
Below, sir. Below, sir.
Add
Yes.
annotations. Add annotation here.
It's nothing more than this. Annotated class. Simply you are tagging nothing more than this. Is it okay right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I'm on server.
Sir, if I write properties in one properties dot text file, and then we get the file input stream, and so that's another way to.
If you write any text file, first of all, what you should do? First of all, you should communicate with the text file, right? And you should fetch the data from the text file only, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir. This
What
another
is
class is properties class, sir.
But manually we should do we should use Hibernate configuration. Okay, na Hibernate configuration file, okay?
Yes.
CFG Hibernate.cfg.xml file, okay? So whatever now, did this one? Already you know, simply right now let me upload. Okay, just come back 1 minute. Meanwhile, let me write select star now. database table is not visible. Just observe only. And let me go. I think it's fine. Are you getting an error? Okay, database table is created, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
Here,
Created table, yeah.
file tabling. Why file tabling? Because you define this name, right? File name. Okay, now it is simply creating all the things. No need to file table, primary key. Okay, na engine. This one. Even okay, now Hibernate inserted one record, right? Insert into file table. Okay, when it is inserted. Okay. Simply let me check from the database. Okay, first of all, let me check the table. Are you observing table got created?
Yes,
Yes.
created.
So
Created.
select star. Tell me. Select star from
Select as
Select.
start from file table.
file. So it is telling binary data also now. It's cannot show the string.
Yeah.
Why? Or the binary data only.
Yes, sir.
LS. Okay. So now simply like show tables. Simply let me select, for example, select, for example, describe file table. For example, select, let me select simply file name and what? File name and like file type, okay? File table. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
One table
Hmm.
got created now.
Yes, sir.
One is file type and
File element type.
another column store the data only binary data only one image. Okay. Nothing more than this. So if you want simply, if you want, okay. So are we getting any more error?
Yeah.
We are not getting any error.
Unchecked
Warning,
exception.
right?
Warning. Oh,
We
Failed
have
to
the
delete a temporary file.
same kind of error we got in the Hibernate in Servlet also, right?
servlet.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is the solution? Cannot delete now. For example, why? Just let me read. Cannot delete. Okay. Dot temp means one temporary file, whatever. So in this location there is a temporary file. Just observe. Consider in your location. Consider you have image right in your file. Just let me show this one. Or consider in your folder you have a video. So if you open the video, right, your video is going on, your video is running. But tell me, is it possible to delete the video?
No, not sir. Not possible.
Your video is already
Video is
running, or your video is used by any software. For example, you are editing this video. Okay, now any software. Simply your video is open somehow. So is it possible to delete this video or image or PDF?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Not possible.
Quite common sense now. So yeah, for example,
One time one.
actually now what will happen whenever first of all, where is my subject? You are uploading, right? You are uploading from the browser. From the browser, you are uploading some image, right? So first of all, the server will store somewhere, right? Then only it will save to the database only. Yes or no? Because server need to process this data. So first of all, it will store to the
IPs.
temporary memory. Then only it will store to this database. So now tell me, after storing the database, your server is intelligent, right? It will delete the temporary data only. Yes or no?
Yes.
But now tell me, if your data is somehow open, right? Somehow open, or if anything is related to this temporary data, then is it possible to delete?
No.
For example, we are stop there. What is the
Then
solution? Okay. Just observe here. Where is my this is the input stream now? Input stream still points to this data only. Now simply let me close. Okay. How to close input stream? Tell me.
input stream dot
Input dot
close.
close file input stream.
input stream, right? It's an object, it's a
Yes.
pipe,
Yeah.
right? This pipe points to this file, point to this data only, right?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So your browser
Dot
is, your
close.
server is considering, oh, maybe the pipe will use this data once more time. So I shouldn't delete this data, right? If you close, no problem. Just observe, control this. Even this is a warning, you can skip right now. But okay, for the last time that we run the program, run as unknown server. Have you practiced this code?
Yes.
No, sir. No, sir. But previous all code we have practice.
Select your file now.
Solid integration. Mhm.
Just observe, for example, let me upload a PDF right now. Why not uploading image? Because already it's available, right? In the upload. Just observe. That it's already uploaded. Just observe. Display program. Now, right now, are you observing? Are you getting any kind of error?
No, 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 sir.
Why table is not
Any
created?
warning?
Why table is not created? Already table is available, right?
Yes, sir.
Already table is available, so not. So we are not getting any error, right? Are you observing why this warning we are getting? Simple, nothing more than this. Any confusion up to now?
Nice. No.
No, sir.
Simply let me check what is the okay. For example, select finally everything that is. So why file name it's not showing here? Maybe it's too lengthy, so it's not showing. Whatever. So are you observing? Let's do image.png, whatever. Finally. So I hope we are able to upload, right? We are able to upload anything to the database only. Yes or no?
Mhm.
So let me show this one let me show this one also. Okay, for example, if we want to see the data from the browser, so we are using the one HTML file, watch data.html. Rest of that. This is my HTML file. Simply we are using welcome, download your file, action, okay, file name, input type, nothing more than this. You already know. I think no need to explain, no need to waste your time. Any confusion? Where control will go
Yes.
after. If I click submit, then
View
where
servlet.
view servlet now.
View servlet.
Where is the view
Website.
servlet?
Yes. Sir. So,
Now download servlet. Control will go to the view servlet, right? Simply nothing more than this.
Web server.
File entity. We are using the get method only, nothing more than this. If this is null, then means what data is not available. If data is not available, then already you know, simply we are returning to the end. Whatever. Respond.set content type, server.output stream, nothing more than this. You already know. Any confusion? Any confusion? Do I need to explain any single line?
no, sir.
Simply respond.set content type. We are using the get method. Simply this get method return. This get method fetch all the data from the database. So there is an object now. This object contains the file name. Then what? MIME type or content type, right? File type, right?
Mhm.
And the binary
Hmm.
data also, right? Binary data also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So your file entity is pointing to this object. File entity is any reference name is pointing to this object. So simply we are. So how? Okay. What is the MIME type? Simply this value now. We are telling a file entity get file type. Simply one getter method now. What is the purpose of the
Yes.
getter method? To fetch the MIME type only now or content type or file type only now.
Yes.
Hmm.
simply we are fetching and simply we are setting the mind type only, nothing more than this, simply on subject method only. Then what?
Okay.
A response, I want a output stream. It will return the pipe. Simply we are telling hey pipe. Okay, na? Hey pipe, please. Hey pipe, please write this data to the database, to the browser, right? File entity dot get data. We are using this get data method. Observe, just observe. Already you have an object, right? Already you have an object. Why? Because of this get method. File entity points to this object only, right? Okay. In this object, file name is available, content type or mind type is available, data is available, right? So how to fetch this data? We are telling that hey file entity, I want to get the data. We are using one method only now, get data.
Dot.
One getter method now. What is the purpose of the getter method? You already know, to fetch the data, to get the data. So simply it will return the data and simply we are pasting, nothing more than this. We are sending this data. We are sending this, we are handovering this data to the right method only, to this pipe only, nothing more than this. Let me show you let me run first of all. Whatever, if you face any kind of question, you can ask. Run on server. Just observe. We are not writing any kind of query, simply just method finding like demo.png view data. Are you observing? We are getting the image. This is the image actually, right?
Yeah, yes, right. Yes, sir.
Whatever. Same way you can receive each and everything. Okay, guys. Any confusion after now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just observe. Let me upload. Let me upload this PDF. Password pen. Just observe. Can you see my file explorer?
No, sir.
I hope right now file explorer is visible, right? So let me change.
Yes.
Let me change, for example, Java. Here, simply Java, nothing more than this. Let me upload this file once more time and let me check. Use file java.pdf, upload. Our program is already running. Let I take one name. Are you observing? One PDF is available. Java.pdf application. This PDF is it visible? This screen is visible.
Yeah.
So we uploaded one PDF now. We uploaded one PDF. For the first time, what is the problem? Maybe something,
Application.
whatever. So can I view this PDF from the browser? Can I view?
Yes.
So how to view?
Yes, sir.
What is the name? Java.pdf, right? So it is showing this PDF, okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you read this PDF?
Pipeline.
Have you read this PDF?
Yes.
Just to explain
Yes,
one
sir.
single line. I don't know yet. Read or not, or simply you are taking. Simply, this pipe concept, simply if you don't, you will, actually, this is not a concept of
Last test.
actually Steam, but in this class also I explain actually what is happening internally, right? So maybe this PDF was about now example program that tries to the console without system data, whatever. what is file explain, so many concepts, whatever. So you can read this PDF also, no problem. Simply to explain a single line, right? To explain a single line, up to now I explained whatever. So at the finally I explained, okay, system.out.println. Whatever, let this one, if you have time, you can go with this PDF also. Let this one. So is it clear how to send, how to store anything to the database? Any confusion? I right now
No,
at
sir.
this
No, sir.
moment I have no video. So anything you can upload, right? Based on your programming requirement. Based on your programming requirement. Please tell me any kind of question. If you don't understand anything, please don't get shy. You can ask your doubt. Just very simple thing only. Two program now. For uploading one program, this is called upload servlet. This is the upload servlet only, right? Okay. So this is the very simple concept. Guys, if you don't understand, you will tell me. This is your already you know now. You are already this method already you know.
Servlet.
Yes, exactly. Servlet file part. Here request I want to get this part. Which part was you want? I want this part now. The name is file, and we are dividing this name from the HTML only now. I think no need to explain. Then file name here file part. This is the file part here file part. What is the submitted file name and the content type? You can store any variable name. Okay, this is the comment line. Simply we are creating a pipe input stream, a file part, a file part, a file part. I want a pipe. Simply I want a pipe. What is the pipe name? There are multiple types of pipe. We are requesting for the input pipe or input stream. This pipe is a magical pipe. We are telling a pipe. Please read all data. Nothing more than this. This one line method. This one line method only. Okay, here file part. I want a pipe, and you are communicating. You are talking to this pipe. A pipe. Please read all the bytes. Simply code Java only. Code Java method only. Data is pointing to this array. Already you know the all the array concept. No need to explain the meaning of Hibernate concept. Okay, we are explaining. We are discussing this line from the past class only. Then this is the method. Okay, nothing more. This is no need to explain any single line only. Servlet concept and some Hibernate concept and some core Java concept, right? Even this is not Hibernate related concept. Whatever, I'm not wasting your time. Another program is for what? For download Servlet now. So first of all,
Yes.
from the front end, we are taking the data. We are receiving the name, which file name the user want to access, right? File name or anything you want. Then simply we are calling the get method only now. Get method will return the object. In the object, everything is available. File name is available, content type or my type or file type is available. Data is available, nothing more than this. So simply we are taking the file. Okay, any confusion to understand guys? To understand this line, here respond dot set
No, sir.
content type that is Servlet concept. Okay, which
Yes.
want to get as a type, simply this one. How to access this file entity? Here file entity. I want to get this file type. Okay, this is your setter and getter method. This is your file entity. Just observe. Get file name. Okay, get file type. Are you observing? Get file type. It returns what? File type only, right? Any confusion guys to understand?
No, sir.
I think if you will practice, if you face any kind of question, no problem, you will tell me. Then simply we need another pipe, right? What is the pipe name? Output stream or Servlet output stream. Okay. Here response, I want the output stream. Servlet response will give you one output, one pipe, one magical pipe. Simply you are talking to this pipe. Here pipe, please write this data. Please write this data. Okay. Where data is available? Data is available inside the file entity object. Yes or no, boss?
Yes.
Whatever
Yes,
I'm
sir.
explaining, this is not recommended to explain at this time. Whatever, this is totally code Java concept only. Whatever. Any confusion up to now? Now can we move to a new concept?
Yes.
Any kind of question up to now? If you can ask, please. Sure.
No, sir. Yes. No, sir.
We close all the things. I think I shouldn't already you know right. Already respect use. Okay, is it visible? Is not very visible?
Yes.
No, this was
Consider this is your right. front end, and this is your back end, right? Back end. Or consider this is the Meridian architecture. You already know now how to integrate the servlet, yes or no? And how to communicate with the database. Already you know, right? Do I need to explain anything? So I think no need to explain anymore, right? This is your web browser. How to send data. Okay, now how to, for example, how to combine. This is what? This is your persistence
Persistence.
layer, right? To make the
Yeah.
persistence layer, we are using Hibernate. Means I want to mean how to combine Salvet and Hibernate. I hope there is no confusion. There is no friction, right? You are able to combine or to integrate, okay, Salvet and Hibernate. So I think I should close this program. I should not work with Salvet. Simply I can explain some Hibernate concept with core Java program only. Okay. So let me close all the program. Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
How to combine with what? With our front end part, right? Or with Servlet, Hibernate and Servlet. I hope you are able to play game with this one. Okay, very simple only, nothing more than this. I have up to now you got some basic idea of what Hibernate only, right? Even I discussed some concept. Actually, there are so many concepts, but I discussed even some concepts now. Even most of the people will skip this concept or whatever. So there are some Hibernate concept that we discussed this one also. Okay, any more confusion up to now? More properly?
No, sir. No, no.
Okay,
No,
now just
no, sir.
observe. Consider this is what? This is your database table only, right?
Okay.
In your database table, you have multiple what? Multiple record only, right? Consider you have multiple table or multiple record. Just observe. Let me some more. Okay. Can you tell me any table name? Can you tell me any table name?
Students.
For example, table name is student. It's okay. Just observe. For example, here ID. Okay. Anything? Like email. Okay. Like name. Yes or no? Like what? GPA. Anything else? Like is. Okay. Like
Address.
whatever. For example, image. Okay. Yes or no? Student image or employee image. Okay. Any data, for example, phone number. Yes or no?
Sir.
Phone number. So whatever the column name, okay, no problem. You are able to create, right? So for this purpose, simply what you will do, will you create the database table? No. Simply you will create a class. Yes or no, boss?
Yes.
Class is
Entity class.
then what? I assume you are writing the property, you are the boss. Okay. How to do this one? Any confusion?
No.
But now tell me, what is your requirement? What is your requirement right now? For example, you don't want to store each and everything at the same database table, okay?
It means, sir, we have to create two
For example,
tables.
you want to part, right? You want to part.
Yes.
Let me make this small. For example, right now, or consider you want to separate two tables, right? You want to create three tables, right? You want to divide. Anyway, based on your programming requirement, you want to create multiple tables. Okay, let me use here two tables, okay? Let me divide in two parts, okay? Or you want to divide in three parts, four parts, or for image, you can keep only one table only, right?
Yes.
Maybe already you know why we divide the database table. What is the problem? Okay, leave this one. So simply, yeah, what we want actually, we want to divide this database table. Then what will be the database table? Can you please tell me?
There, sir.
There will be two database
ID,
tables, right?
yes, sir.
So can you please tell me, this is the name ID, right? And this is the name email, okay?
Email,
And what is the name? For example, name, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
names,
Name CP,
CGPA,
CGPA.
CGPA
then
is
Yes.
you want to, okay, you want to divide like this way, okay, na? Email, phone
yes,
number,
sir.
whatever. Okay, with this one. So now tell me, you want to divide. You want to divide the database like this way, or this is your requirement.
Hmm.
You want to keep this table inside one database, okay? And you want to keep this table inside another database, okay? Why you want to keep? Sorry, it's your requirement, okay? Like you want to store this one inside like MySQL database, okay? For example, you want to store this one inside Oracle database, yes or no? Whatever your requirement,
Hmm.
that will make it very easy. Let's not go too much deeper of that. Possible, just understand what is our requirement. We want to divide, right? We want to divide. Is it clear? This is your basic database concept, okay? Any confusion, guys, up to now?
No, sir.
Please tell me how we can divide it. So this table has a name, every table has a name. What is the table name? Can you please tell me, for example? Student, okay?
Student one.
Then why are you silent? Then which one, for example? Consider like student details. Any name, right? Is it
Okay.
clear?
Details. Yes.
In the student details, now details of the information are available in this table. So we are telling like this. So now tell me. So we want like this way. Now tell me, are we creating manually this table, this two table? This first time.
Sorry.
Are we creating or do we need to create? Do we need to create this two table?
Manually.
Who will create this table? Hibernate only.
Sir.
Hibernate,
Hibernate,
Hmm.
Hibernate, yeah.
Hibernate will create this table. Okay.
But
Now tell me, for this purpose, if Hibernate wants to create this table, first of all, what is required? One class is required, right?
yes.
Yeah, two
So here how many classes
classes
required?
required.
Two class, right?
Two, sir, yeah.
Two or three or one.
Two, two entity class
Okay. Now
is
tell
required.
Two
me,
class, sir.
last them, student only, right?
Hmm.
Student. Do I need to explain the remaining part?
No,
No,
sir.
no, no.
Okay.
ID, email, and get etc. Yes, Pooja.
Then tell me another class.
Student
Class
detail.
student detail.
Student details. Okay. Do I need to explain anything?
No, no.
No,
But
no.
right now they are two different, right? So here already you know one thing. Already you know one thing. Table means what? Our
Table
class.
means.
Our class means actually the corresponding table, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
But okay, consider in your table there are multiple row. So one row means what? One object only, right? Is that
Yes, sir.
already you know this concept? One row means what? One object. Or one
Uh-huh.
object means what actually? One row, right? Should I repeat once more time?
No, sir.
No.
Just observe. So first of all, okay. So right now these two tables are both are separated, right?
Of course, yeah.
Now tell me, just observe. If you don't know the database concept, it's okay, no problem. Now tell me, there are two class. Both are, is there any relationship between these two class?
Yeah. Has there?
Relationship.
No,
No,
no.
sir.
So how to create the relationship or observe? Consider, for example, you want to make a link between two tables, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
You want to link. So how to link? Can you please tell me?
Sir, we declare a
Prime
primary key.
And you know,
primary key.
okay, so in this table, consider in this table, student table, consider ID is the primary key, okay? So like one, okay? Primary key one,
Mm-hmm.
like primary key two, okay? Like primary key three. So there is name. So just observe. Let me get it. Yeah, just observe. Now tell me how to make the relationship. Can you please tell me? I forgot the database concept. Can you please tell me how to make
Just
the
Uh,
relation?
declare a primary key, sir, in student detail.
Okay. So that means, okay, primary key, right? So already you know now every cable should have a primary key, yes or no? Every cable should have the primary key. That we use this column. It's why. Okay. Yeah. So is it visible? Okay.
Yeah.
For example, ID, any name, right? Any confusion?
No.
Okay. So this is the
Two
primary.
ID.
This is, at this moment, this is the primary key. And in this step, this is the primary key. Okay.
Yes.
So now tell me,
Sir,
name can. There
both.
are two different tables.
Sir,
There are two different tables, right? I
okay.
can just different
Okay.
name, no problem. There is
Okay.
two class, right? For example, if I write here integer a and if I write here integer a, is there any problem?
No,
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 sir.
no.
Why?
Got it.
Now tell me what I should do at this moment. I need to
So,
make relationship,
How
right?
to link?
Simply,
Uh,
when I
so
create
just write 1, 2, 3. Foreign key. We have to write foreign key, sir.
the primary key,
In challenge.
tell me any name, like any name, for example, S for student, D for details. I'm writing here like this. Is there any problem?
no,
Sir, yes.
no, sir.
Okay, not any name, no problem. Any column name, no problem. So consider in this case, this is 101. Okay, this is 102.
Hmm.
This is 103. So I think I should write here this value here only, right? 101 here. Yes or no? 101, 102, 103. Then very easily I can map. Yes or no, guys? We are using this
Yes.
primary key. We are using this ID or any name that we use here SD only, right? SD, ID. Okay, any name, no problem, boss. So one table primary key we are
Yeah.
using inside another table, right? So this is called actually foreign key, right?
Yes.
Any confusion? The basic database concept only, nothing more than this. Up to now, any confusion, please tell
No,
me.
sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Just observe. So this is observe what is happening here. So this is one record only, na? One record, right? In Java, what does mean by it? One object only, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
One object. So which object and which object is student object now?
Yes.
Student detailed object, right? Details. This is the object. Any confusion, guys, to understand?
No, sir.
So, are you getting me? Can you follow me?
Yes.
Now, right now, can you tell me what should be the modified class? Tell me. Class?
Class student.
Class student. Question, where is silent? Are you getting or not getting?
No, getting.
Then tell me ID, right?
At the rate.
What is
At
the
the
type?
rate,
What
yeah.
is the type?
Int,
sir.
int, sir.
Annotation at the right ID can use, no problem. Now tell me, what is for second column? Tell me. Like
Email.
String.
String
String
email.
mail.
Let's get email. Observe. Now tell me, what should be the third attribute, third variable?
Yes. String student detail.
Student details. Int, sir.
Int,
Then,
int SD. SD is.
student details, any name, right? Student SD ID. Okay, student detail ID. Okay, any confusion?
No. Some annotation will be.
Whatever. Leave about this annotation. First of all, understand this variable concept. Here, what does mean by this is an integer, right?
Yes.
But for this class, one student object will be available, right? Yes or no?
Yes, student.
One object will be available, right?
Yes.
How many property available in this object? Three property, right? One is for ID, another one is email, right? What is another?
ID, email, and yes, student details.
Student details. What is the purpose of a student details ID? What is the purpose of this property? Point
Yes,
this
sir.
object only, no?
Yes, sir. To get the student details
So
object.
point this object only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting my point?
Sir, in student detail, the primary key can be directly linked to this student detail ID as a foreign key. Is it possible?
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
In student detail, in our the primary key 101, 102, 103
Mhm.
can be directly connect with student ID column 1, 2, 3 as a primary key.
Okay, this is the primary key. For example, we are consider the value is 102 available once more time, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know that your foreign key can be duplicate.
I think, sir, whatever I was saying, in student table, SD column
Mhm.
removing and directly primary key in student detail 1, 2, 3, and directly it will be connect to the
Yes.
student detail ID.
First of all, why? How is possible? This is your ID, na primary key. This is
Mm-hmm.
this ID is available for what? To identify this table.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes. It
To
means
identify.
primary key not connected, sir.
Okay, but now tell me, what is the properties of foreign key, right? What is the properties or purpose of foreign key? To link with another
101,
key.
102. Mm-hmm.
You know, for example, first of all, you don't know. First of all, you don't know the primary key of the second table is unique. Exactly, it's okay. The primary key will be certainly same. But here, like
Mm-hmm.
101, can I use 101 once more time?
No,
No, sir.
Why not?
primary key is
I'm not
Yes,
using.
sir.
Okay, whatever. Leave this concept. This is totally database concept. Leave everything. Okay, leave your database
Mm-hmm.
concept. If you even if
Yes,
whatever I'm explaining, if you even don't know this concept, no issues. Leave this one.
yes.
Just observe one point. Observe the Java concept. Observe.
Mm.
So we have actually two objects, right? Two class. What is the class name? Class. First tell me. Student, right?
Student.
student.
Mm.
Hmm.
And another class. Tell me.
Class student
Student.
detail.
Student detail.
Detail.
You know all the things. So for this purpose, one object will be available. For this purpose, one object will be created, right?
Hmm.
Here ID. Okay, now ID. So one ID is available like 10, like 1, no problem. So type is integer, anything is fine. Like email, okay? Email.
Mm-hmm.
Is no problem. So for example, your email is fine. Email like your ABC at the rate, okay? Gmail.com. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No,
So now tell me why you are using this third property, like student details. Student details ID. Why you are using this third property? To link these two objects only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
okay.
So what is the
Yes, sir.
purpose? For
That's
example,
right.
student details ID. What is the purpose of this property? It will point to this object only, right?
Mm.
Hmm.
So it should store the address of this object or reference of this object, like 0x1010. Consider this is the reference. There are some difference between reference and address. Consider both are same. So this student details ID should store the reference or the address of this object. Then only I can go to this object. This is basic code Java only or basic C programming. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So for example, it should store 0x1010. Yes or no, boss?
Yes.
Then can you please tell me right now what should be the data type?
Type.
Mhm.
Binary.
This should be the student details only, na?
Yes.
Details. Are you observing? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
class name used as a data type.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Because we need to point this object only, right?
Hmm.
So we need to use this data type now. We need to use this one as a data type. Yes or no? We need to use this class name as a data type. Why? So that student details, right? Details. Yes, so that we
Okay.
can store this reference or object of this class. Yes or no? So that we can
Yes, sir,
store the
got it.
object of this class. So have you got this?
Got it, sir.
Not integer.
Mhm.
This is not integer. Okay, don't make this mistake. Is it clear, boss?
Yeah,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you remove this previous table or everything, whatever, but no issues. I hope up to now you got this point, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now? So we are going to discuss at this moment what the mapping concept only, right? Mapping concept.
Mhm.
Now, like your
Agree.
what? One to one. Do you know what does mean by one to one? Same at this moment. Like
No idea, sir.
1 moment. I think it was possible. Just 1 minute.
Hmm.
So one to many, many to one. Just of that. What's wrong? Yeah, I think right now I'm able to like okay, observe. So just observe, just observe. You have one table, right? You have what?
One table.
That is
One table.
ID, like
Email.
and
SID. SD.
this is DID, details ID,
Hmm.
another table, ID, name, whatever no issues. So if okay, for example, if there is a relation between one record to another record, right? One row to another row. If you have
Hmm.
one row, only there exists corresponding another row in another table, right? So this kind of relation is
Yes.
considered as one-to-one relationship. Yes or no, both?
Yes. One to one.
For example, this is one boy, this is one girl. What? So simply one-side relationship, nothing more than this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One boy, one girl. So one record, and another record, right? One table, one
Hmm.
record, another table, another record. Nothing more than this. For example, this is your what? This is your student tables, right? This is your student tables and student details, right? Yes or no, boss?
Hmm.
Yes.
So in the student table, and this is the student details. In the student tables, you have some row, right? 101. So corresponding, there is another row inside the student details, right? 101. So this kind of relation is considered as what? One to one. This is totally database concept only, nothing more than this. Okay? One to one, nothing
Yes.
more than this. And maybe some other relationship. Even if you don't know, no problem. Can you please tell me just the name? Let me write here just the name.
One to one.
One to one, I already covered, right? One to
Yes, sir.
one.
One to
One
many.
record, another record. One to one, okay? And one to many, right?
One to many. One to
One
many.
to
Yes.
many.
Means what? For example, there is a boy, right? And there are what? Multiple girls, okay? Connected. One boy, many girls, right? That means what? One record connected with multiple records. Yes or no?
Yes.
One to many?
Yes, sir.
Basic database concept only, nothing more than this. And someone also say like one to many or many to
Many.
one, na?
Many to one. Yes. Many to one and many to many.
Many to one. Or someone say both are same. Like what? Many to one, na? Or if you reverse or
Yes.
consider many boy and one girl, okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
What does mean by many to many?
Yes, sir. The different tables
Actually,
has
na, the
is
girl
getting
is
one
connected with
reference.
many boys. He is considering, okay, let me show my power also. He is connected with multiple girls also, right? Okay? Many to many, whatever.
Right.
You have table, there are multiple rows. For this purpose only I told you, is revise some database concept once more time, whatever. Okay, now consider this is your record. This record is related with multiple what? Multiple rows. Consider you have, okay, just if you don't understand, like for example, you have name, right? anywhere, for example, email. So considering you have multiple phone numbers, for this purpose, multiple record is required, right? This
Mm-hmm.
student has multiple phone numbers. Yes or no, boss?
Yes, sir.
Same concept, whatever, but at this moment, yeah, certainly, a person is good example. Check. A person is one passport, exactly one to one, na? So means what actually? It's very simple only. One record is related or connected or linked with what? Only one record.
One person.
Okay? Nothing more than this. Any confusion to understand up to now? This is purely
No, sir.
database concept. Leave this one, leave this one. Simple. This is purely database concept, nothing more than this. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And some, let me, I'll discuss it later also, no issues. Just consider this boy like this girl, right? Only boy
Mm-hmm.
like this girl. Okay? So boy know about the relationship, yes or no? But the girl doesn't know
Yes.
about this relationship, yes or no?
Yes, yes.
This is your one entity or one class or one table or one record. This is what? This is your another entity, right? Another object, yes or no? So one entity know
Mm-hmm.
about the relationship. Okay, this is unidirectional or bidirectional. This is unidirectional or bidirectional. Only one entity know about the relationship. This is unidirectional, right? For example, girl also
Mm-hmm.
know about the relationship, then this is considered as bidirectional, right?
Uniabye.
Unidirectional, bidirectional. If you don't understand
Mm-hmm.
up to now, no problem. Just listen that term and just one important term like cascade. Can you write this one?
Cascade.
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 What about the pronunciation? Can you please tell me what does mean by it?
Yes. Cascade. Cascading styles.
Can you please tell me what does mean by it? What is the meaning?
No, sir.
Don't know, sir, but here
In the simple, na? For example, there are, for example, like there are two
One
entities.
cascade is understood. Mm-hmm.
There are two entities. Okay, there are two entities. They are in a relationship, right? If you perform any
Mm-hmm.
operation to this entity, okay, now automatically what will happen? This will happen to the linked entity, right? To the other entity. Okay. For example,
Mm-hmm.
so like what how I can explain something like that. Maybe you listen in your shorts or in the reels. So if you eat or if you take the food, automatically by default I take the food now. In this one, whatever. So there are some database operation now like update. Okay, then tell me, can you please tell me update then? Delete. Okay.
update
Update,
or
delete,
delete,
retrieve,
save,
insertion.
save.
Delete. Okay. Good. These are some operations. So if you perform this operation on one entity, right? By
Mm-hmm.
default,
Hmm.
automatically, this will be reflected. This will be happen to the another entity also, right? Why? Because this is
Yeah.
you are performing this
They are
operation
link,
to this entity. Automatically, it will happen
Yeah.
to this entity. Why? Because they are in the
The
relation.
link.
Nothing more than this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's observe. Let me go to the point. Up now, if you don't get understand even, no problem. Okay. But I hope you get some
Yes.
basic idea what we are going to discuss at this moment. We are going to discuss some mapping concept now, one to many, many to one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear up to now? If you have any kind of question, please you can ask your doubt.
No, sir. No, sir.
Like unidirectional, bidirectional concept. Okay, for how
You.
we are creating the class, right? Two class, okay. So I think it will be better if I go to the program only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just out now. Before that, just okay now. I'm telling you first of all, let me maybe already we have some project now. With code Java only. I am not integrating Hibernate here. Like Java resource. First of all, are you listening? Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
Maybe
No,
just
sir.
I discuss actually some database concept, not the Hibernate concept actually. This is totally database concept. I don't know why you are getting the confused. Whatever. So already we have the existing project. Can I use this project? I hope I can use this project, right?
Mm-hmm.
No need
Of
to
course, yeah.
yeah, simply I can do one thing. I can create one package, nothing more than this. Extra, I can get one package. Okay. Now tell me. First of all, let me create one class. Can you tell me any class, any two entity class I need to create, right? Inside that package, like for example, anything like maybe whatever. Okay. Any name?
Mapping. Mapping
Any
employee EMP.
or name? Okay. Whatever. So tell me any class first of all, which class? Student class, right?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Student.
Sorry.
Okay. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We need to create what? One entity class now.
Yes.
Tell me how to create. What you want to keep. First of all, what you want.
Private
One ID,
ID,
one ID and email, like or anything
email.
based on your requirement, boss. Based on your requirement. Okay. So tell me
Mm-hmm.
first of all, how to create. Integer ID,
Private
string.
string email.
Any confusion?
No.
No,
So let me create first of all one
second
project.
entity.
Called shift
Hmm.
S. Yeah, okay. Wait. Get our method now. Constructor is build. This selector. Equal constructor called shift S.
Get a settlement method.
Called shift S. Why it is not reflecting? Okay, maybe not reflecting, but no problem. Let me do manually. How to add? Tell me.
Sorry.
Right click there.
Source. इसको ऐड करना है.
Then
Source and generate getter and method. Constructor बनाना. हाँ, constructor is field.
call shift.
Parameterize constructor.
Right now, getter and setter method, right?
Yes. Better.
Is it okay? Up now, is it okay?
Yes.
Any confusion?
Yes,
points?
yes.
Simply, this is
No.
what
No, sir.
entity class. Is it entity
Yeah, at
class?
the rate. No.
So how to make it entity class?
At the rate.
At the entity, we have to write annotations. Entity.
Entity. Yeah.
Tell me, first tell me.
Table. At the rate table.
Not so table, yes.
Name is equal to student.
Student.
Which one is our primary key?
ID.
We are
At the
using
rate
one
ID.
of this one ID, right? Why we are using?
Yes.
Because the name is
Because
ID, right? Why we are using your ID? Because the name is ID, right?
because primary key. No, sir. Because primary key.
Now tell me another one class is available. Now tell me another class. So already, why we are creating this class? To create this table only, right?
Student data class.
Okay. Now tell me how to create now another table. New then class
Class. Student detail.
student or
Detail.
anything.
No, sir, this is suitable.
Tell me, for example, like at the rate correct ID na integer ID then string what name right then
String name address
email address था phone number
phone number and image.
okay na okay then
yeah
string can I take image also at the rate log byte can I take image or take this one image then anymore age right That is okay.
int
Any confusion?
It's yes.
How to is it entity class? How to
no
make it entity class?
@ int ent
Then the direct table line
table
Mm-hmm.
and student name. Then
and detail
Student detail table, sir.
which one should be the primary key?
ID.
id
Apply any confusion to understand them?
No,
no
sir.
sir no
Can we? Constructor, right? Let's see.
constructor using field getter and setter.
Apply any confusion? Can you
No,
please?
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, same way this two class. Now tell
Mm.
me.
No.
So what will happen? Same the two object will be created, right? One object for student class, another object for what? Student detail.
Student detail class.
So right now, is there any relationship? Is there any link?
Yes, sir. 1-to-1.
Is there any link we created? Is there any
Method.
link in this object?
Mm, oh, sir. We write foreign
Of
key.
the
I
student
think.
Java, is there any link?
A link, no, sir.
No sir.
So to make the link now, tell me what I should do. Because this should
Class name
why
class
Sir,
name
because
I
this should
think
point to this object, right?
yeah
Point to this reference, point to this object. So for example, this is the reference, just common sense. Address is 0x10. Now tell me how to store 1010. How to store?
class
binary
name
data.
अरे नहीं है भाई
Class name. What is the class name? Student?
yeah
Yes.
Student details only, na?
student details
Name, student details, right? Then equal
student
this address only, right? 0x10. Yes or no?
yes sir
0x10.
We cannot write like this, any reference name like A or B. Okay, na? Or new, right? New what? New student details, na?
yes
I have to create object. New student details only, na?
हाँ yes sir yes
You create the object and return the reference now. So you are storing the address only, right?
Yes.
हाँ
Nothing more than this. For this purpose, I hope right now it's clear. Now tell me what I should write here.
I think annotations we have to write.
Student details na? First of all, the property student details any name?
student हाँ सर ये क्या लिखना है रखना है
Student yes equal to st details
student
equal
is it
to
up now?
new
yes
student.
sir
Yes.
Rest of that.
variable name है भाई
You can add na if you want.
Category.
Also, but I don't want like this way. Simply, can I use setter and getter for this purpose?
Yes.
हाँ yes sir set
How to setter? Set what like student na?
Not set, sir. Public.
Okay.
हाँ बन गया यार
That method. Setter method.
Getters.
get student detail
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
yes sir.
Nothing more than this. Simply I added to setter method and getter method. What will happen?
using field sorry constructor using field we added this detail also
Simply using just observe. Share details now. Using this method, we are passing this address, right? We are passing this address, and this address will be stored where?
student details
The variable now.
study
Yes, sir. Very well, sir.
So if you need any more item, it's available. If you need any more, so is it possible for you to get this one?
Yes.
So how to get this address? Tell me how to get this address. Using getter method now.
student details
Yes, sir. Getter method.
Anything, whatever the name, no problem. Any confusion to understand?
No, sir.
Maybe it will be better if I use your ID, but no problem. What is the name? student set details now, whatever set it. Okay, student
Okay,
details.
okay, sir. Okay,
I
I
understand.
understand. I got it, sir.
Any confusion, please
No
tell me
need to change.
why we are using this one?
No, sir.
Why we are using this one? So now tell me, for this purpose,
To
one
link,
table will be created. For this purpose,
to
another
link
Yes,
table
sir.
both.
will be created.
To link the two tables, sir.
For two table purpose, two column will be created. For two class,
Mhm.
two object, two table will be created, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
One
Yes.
is
Yes.
ID, one is ID, one is ID, one is email. Okay,
Mm.
email. So this is what? This is a column now. This column, what is the purpose of
Yeah.
the column? It is the joining column, right? You know
Mm-hmm.
what does mean by foreign key? You don't know. This is what? This column join two table, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is what joining column, right?
Mm.
So now tell me, in this table, in this class, which one is joining column or joining property?
It's
Student details,
property
sir.
student.
To indicate this, hey, Hibernate, please consider, boss. Please consider this property as the joining property. Okay. So can I
Mm-hmm.
use one
Yes.
annotation? Any guess? Any guess?
At the rate join.
1 to 1 to 1.
To indicate just this is a joining column. What should
At
be
the
the
rate
column now?
Join column.
joining
Yes, sir.
In the one
column.
yeah,
Okay.
boss, please
Join
consider
column.
column, right? Or join column. Okay. So tell me, I forgot.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
At the rate
Join column, sir.
At the rate join the
Join column.
join column.
Yes.
So in the database, what will be the name? If you want, you can define the name also, right? So for example, what should be the name? If you want, you can define like name, then what? Like student details, right? Details ID. Can I write like this way?
Mm.
So in the table, what will happen? Like first of all, ID, then what? Then name. Okay, then what will happen? This name will be created, right? As a foreign key. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Student details ID. Is it okay? Is it okay? Please tell me, is it okay or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, ID.
You know, person, is it clear?
Yes.
yes, sir.
If you can understand only one, remaining very easily you can understand. Okay. Should I repeat once more time?
No, sir.
Why this name? Any name you can use, right?
Just
This is
join the two columns, sir.
we are
Two
defining
tables.
this is the foreign key, right? In the database, this is foreign key only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Foreign key.
Foreign key, na?
Foreign key annotations. It
Yes, sir.
supports. Yes.
Don't say foreign key annotation. It's join column annotation, okay?
Join column annotation.
The annotation join column. Okay. So now tell me the relationship between the database is one to one or one to many. Relationship between these two record. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is one to one or one to many.
1 to 1, sir.
Okay, right now we are using one to one. Now corresponding one details ID is available, whatever. So tell me to indicate this one here. My relation is one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. We have some annotation now.
Mm.
Can you tell me what should be the annotation name here? Is that right?
At the rate.
Mhm.
Can we join? Join column.
Join column.
Same.
One column for identifying this is my joining column, right? But to identify is the relationship one to one or one to many.
1 to 1. 1 to 1 1. Oh, at the rate 1 to 1.
Good. One to one. Now carry observing one to one, one to one, one to many,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
many to one.
Yes.
Simply let me
Check
this.
mark.
Yes. Got it. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Let me use there some advanced concept. What is the time right now? Can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So previously I discussed one word now, cascade.
Yes, Cascade. Yes.
What does mean by cascade? Hey, cascade. I want cascade type all. Cascade type, there is a class, cascade type all. And now cascade type all. Means what? Everything will be updated, nothing more than this. Either you can understand more or I can explain more, but let me write here. Cascade Are you observing
Cascade.
cascade?
Just type
Cascade type. Okay,
Cascade
all
type
because
for
mark
all
is removed.
teachers.
Most commonly used or nothing more than this means what? All operation will be updated, right? Which one is the linked table or linked class? This is the student details now. So if I save here, automatically it will be updated here also. Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Any point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just observe for this purpose. Okay, no problem. I can explain here also. With this one. Any confusion up to now? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Already we have two table, right?
Sir, can you explain cascade equal to cascade type dot all?
Simply we are telling relationship is one to one, right? This table is related with this table. So simply if I save this one, if I simply save this one, okay, save this data, automatically it will be affected here also. All means what? All operation. Okay, like save, like update, okay, like delete. If I delete in this table, if I delete that, if I delete the company, automatically what will be happen? Employee will be deleted.
Okay.
But if I delete here, automatically this operation will automatically, for example, if I delete one
Second
row,
one is deleted, huh?
if I
It means, sir, if we delete the
if I delete
one
record
one ID, then
one ID,
automatically
automatically
deleted.
corresponding what? Corresponding record will be deleted. Okay.
Yes.
Second one.
If I don't do like this way, that means what? In the table,
What?
or first of all, one, then immediately, for example, A, I delete like 101. So, for example, if you have deleted this one, but already it's present 101 address, but there is no corresponding student or employee or teacher. Okay, it should not, right? So simply we are telling if I delete this record, like delete a session, please delete what? Delete this ID one. Automatically it will be deleted, it's okay. The corresponding relationship will be deleted. The corresponding record will be deleted. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So we are telling what? Oh,
Yes,
a
sir.
cascade type. What? Okay, please define me the cascade type. Is it delete or update or persist
No,
or save
all,
or
sir.
everything
All,
we want? All. We want
All,
it
sir.
deleted.
everything. Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
The reading and annotation are very simple, nothing more than this. So now tell me what I should do at this moment. Two entity class we have. One main class, right?
Yes.
So, okay, let me here in the same package. Now tell me any main class. Class. Okay. Tell me any name, whatever the name. First tell me. I will write this name with you. Please tell me the
We
name.
create
Any main class name.
main class. Main start.
Main start.
Start.
Are you doing parallel coding?
No, sir.
Okay. So now tell me, this is our main class. First of all, what is required? We want to use Hibernate. So what is required? Hibernate, please communicate with database. But Hibernate is telling, I need one thing. Now, what is the name of this object? Tell me. Session now?
Foreign key. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Session.
How to create session? First of all, we need session, right? If you want to communicate with database, you need sessions. So first of all, you should create. Tell me how to create.
Hibernate dot get session.
Hibernate. Util now. We are using our own method.
Yes.
Open session. Is it?
Yes.
Fact open session. Yeah.
Right. Tell me, any confusion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Session.
And session dot transaction.
Session.
Now what I should create? Transaction now.
Transaction.
Yes. Session dot begin transaction.
Being transaction.
Yes, session, please begin a transaction.
Yeah.
Okay, any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What I should do at this moment?
Session dot save.
Sir, in two table, we enter same time
Observe.
data, sir.
So right now, you have two objects, right? Don't say two table. Two object, right?
Two object.
Therefore, you should create. You
In
are
one
the
table, we have to create,
what
the
is
Today,
another
what is
table
your role?
automatically created, sir.
You are the Java
Data.
developer. What is your role? You should create object now.
Huh.
हाँ
If you don't, Ivan is creating the table. If you don't create the object, then what is your role? Then why we are not using
Mm-hmm.
of
the software
course.
only? So you are the Java developer. What is your purpose? What is your role? What is your job? Simply to play a game with the object, right? Sir, I don't know how
Yes.
to
Mhm.
create object.
It's
Even my concept is not clear. What you should do? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
with this one. So now tell me how
new
to
is
create object. So first of all,
new student.
from your front end means what? HTML file, right? Whatever, like
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
name, email, age, CGPA, address, image, okay, phone number, billing date, everything is possible or not to take.
हाँ
Mm-hmm.
impossible
Should I show this one?
in one form. No.
No.
Okay. Then tell me, already you have data. So can you store to the local variable? Can you store
Hmm.
to the local variable from the front end? Can you store to the local variable
Mhm.
from the front end? Are you using the get
Yes sir.
parameter only now?
Mm-hmm.
हाँ in front. हाँ yes sir related.
So with this one, already you have
Request
data.
dot.
Already you have what? Data only, right?
Hmm.
For example, but at this moment we don't have data. Let me take, for example, already you have data now, like string email, right? Email, get parameter, right? Here response, here okay na? Here request,
Request
okay.
dot.
Get parameter.
Yes,
Already you have
request
data.
dot
Email,
get per.
a dot at the rate gmail.com. Already you have data. I no need to worry about this data, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ yeah.
First of all, let
Yes sir.
me create here like student. How to create object? Tell me. New student.
New
New
student.
student.
Yeah, and parameter. Cus-
What is that one? Student. Okay. So tell me, you can first of all you can create like this way, then you can set like using setter method, getter method, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me make it more simple. Like one then any email, right? Tell me any email like exo
is
at the
at the
rate
rate
gmail.com.
com.
Now tell
Yes.
me, should I use okay observe? What is the constructor? Don't be confused. What is the class? So only two parameter, right?
Three sir.
Why tell me
Three.
हाँ
observe.
there is two. हाँ no
If you
no.
want,
Tools.
यहाँ there
if you
two.
want, you can use this email also, right?
Hmm.
Email also. First of all, you can no problem, it's fine. Then first of all, you need to create email address, right? Then you need to pass the address only, right? Yes or no? Sorry. First of all, you need to create the student details object. Then you need to pass the reference here, right? Or but
Sorry sir.
but in my
Sorry
entity
sir.
class, we are creating object using only two field, right?
हाँ ID
No
email.
problem. You can create object like this way, okay? Example one,
Hmm.
student, like okay, student. No problem. Now tell me, can we create customer details? Sorry, student details or teacher details, customer details, employee
हाँ
details.
हाँ yes sir.
How to create
हाँ
new?
हाँ. Student
Then
details. और
what is the
three
what
or
okay, I should use? Tell me. Like ID name address on is na ID
yeah.
like 101. Okay. Then what?
ID name address name
Then
address
then address on is right. For example, if we again address. Then what?
phone number
On number is the integer or string.
Oh.
Are you
in a
bored?
string but they're
Like zero one
insert.
zero 10.
No.
Like
In
for
a string
example,
format.
101 Saks email.
phone number. Let me
In a,
check. String format, right? Binoy, are you bored? Are you
No,
tired?
sir, but little bit tired, sir.
Let's let me continue this program. You know, 10,
Mm-hmm.
double four, double four, double three, double three. Okay. Double entry phone number.
हम्म,
Whatever. Then what?
कौन था और उसके बाद क्या था कौन क्या था
Then Just open tabs. Student data.
Age, right?
Age,
Yes,
age.
is.
Age in integer.
0, 55, whatever. Any confusion?
No.
55. No, sir.
Relatives. Okay, no issues. Any confusion to understand up to now, please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If we have created to this object, now tell me, you can take data from the front end, and is it possible or not for you to create two objects?
No, sir. Not possible.
Why not possible?
Only one form. Sir, only one form.
Mhm. So only one from only, you are taking all the data only now.
Mm-hmm.
You are taking email, you are taking
One by one.
name, but in
Yeah, got it,
object you
got
are
it.
separating, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
Why not?
got it. I think.
Now tell me, first of all, so you have just observed right now you have two objects, right? One object, another object. Yes or no? This is the student
Mm.
object. Okay. This is what?
Yes.
Student details, right?
Student details object. Yes.
Student details object. Now tell me, we need to set the reference. We need to set the reference of the object only, right? So that this object point, this object, this member,
Point student details.
right? Yes or no? So how to
Mm-hmm.
answer? Already you know the address. Already you know the address of this object, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This now student details, right?
Yes. We are
So how
passing in.
will you please tell me?
Student
Passing
details.
A student, A
student.
student na? Why student? Just observe.
Mm.
This is the student, right? Student. A student. Okay, boss. Please, boss, set na. Set what? Set the details, right?
Set.
Set the address, right?
Mm-hmm.
The address of which one?
Mm.
Please, this address. So can we pass this one?
Yes.
Can we pass this address?
I.
Already you know, right? Already you know. So simply we are passing. Then
Yes, I got it. Got it.
so how to access this one? A student from here to
Dot get.
from here. A student. Then what? How to access this one?
Dot get.
Get details, right? Get address, whatever.
Student dot get. Student dot get details. Yes.
Then it will return this address, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes,
Address.
yes.
Then you are telling, hey, I need the name only, right? Yes or no? Dot name.
Mm.
Observing.
One by
Sorry.
one by one, we getting all the.
Exactly. Just observe. First of all, student is pointing here, right? Student is pointing here, right? In this object.
Hmm.
In the data in this object, there is a member. So can we access this member? For example, or there is a
In this, yeah.
method, student dot get address. It will return this address only now.
Mm.
You know the address. Then can you tell me, hey, address, please call this name, tell me the name, tell me this image, tell me this age, everything.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So now tell me, student dot. So can I save this one, student? Can I save this object? Can I save this object?
Yes.
How to save?
Student dot save.
Student dot save now. How to save?
Session dot save.
How to save? Session
Save,
dot
I
save. Which
Save.
one?
save.
Which one?
Student detail.
Student dot. No, student dot.
Student dot get
Object
details.
only now.
Sorry.
Yes, yes.
There are two
क्या
objects.
बोले सर?
Two objects only now.
Student.
Student is
Yes, sir.
pointing this one. So simply we are saving this object only, right?
Yes.
Any confusion?
Separate saving, sir.
Now tell me, yeah. Then now tell me what I should say. Tell me.
Session.
Session dot
Session dot save.
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 Mhm.
Student details.
This is pointing this one, but it is not required, right? Why?
Because different.
No. Because of Cascade or Cascade.
Mm-hmm.
Can you remember?
Yes.
All cascade.
Let me just show this one.
One-to-one relationship.
I think everything is fine. Then we can close, right? Another point now. Transaction then. Commit. Okay.
Commit.
Just observe. Sir, we are not writing any SQL query, anything. First of all, let me go to the database. Instance errors. So, tables, right? So, at this moment, there are 3 tables only, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes.
run? How to run?
In main, run as server.
Server, huh?
Server, sir. Application. Sir.
Just observe.
AI.
Wait, why error? Can you please tell me why error? You need to tell why we are getting
Entity
error.
type access.
Tell me, please first tell me.
Map string बोलना.
Map dot student.
Mapping not
Located for
in
Same error.
same error, sir.
Tell me how to solve.
Same error.
configuration
In
file. We have to write
Where
student
I need to go tell me.
configuration files.
But in my program configuration file is not available now. Then
Then set properties.
I want it util na.
util.
Yes.
Util. Util.
Then tell me what I
In
need to do.
util set properties.
Then tell me
Just
what I
No,
below
need
boss.
to do.
Set नहीं. Add annotation. Yeah.
add
Annotated. CFC dot
Mhm. Tell me.
Zaxov dot student dot
Net na.
map map.
yes. Map dot
Student details or student.
student details.
Second one is student detail. In same package.
Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why another maybe another one is deleted now?
Map dot student.
Any confusion up to now? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Anything wrong?
No, sir. No.
Can I write?
No.
Can I run right now?
Yes, sir.
We stop there.
Right click. Run is then run
Run
on
as
submit.
Java application. False. Is what now?
So I want to create a table for you, right? For you, right?
Alter table, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alter
Yes.
table.
Yes.
Also,
Running, sir. Yeah.
create table with student details, okay? Then alter table student table like column. Okay. Then
Some
can you remember
index.
later we added
Same
we
name.
added
Same name.
one-
Okay.
dropping names. Whatever the database is doing. Then at the end only. So I want it is doing all the things. You don't need to insert into student table. Are you observing? So same type of query we are writing or in JDBC only na? Yeah, who is writing?
Hibernate.
I think both
HQL.
for this purpose only we are using. Just observe. Let me check. Yeah, what's happened?
हाँ स्टूडेंट टेबल कहाँ है? हाँ है. Detail. Student detail.
Maybe already in our case already there was a table, right? No.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Student
Yes, sir.
table. Where is student
Student
table?
table.
Student table now. Are you observing
Last one.
why? Okay. Already there was a table with this one. Let me display. Okay, just 1 minute display. First of all, student table. Are you observing?
Not null. Primary key है unique.
Okay, this guy, student, student B. Oh, sorry, it's KB.
TIOS.
KB, just one minute. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are you observing? Are you observing all the things? Is it clear, boss? Can you please tell me?
Yes, sir.
And about another thing. Whatever, leave this one. So can I get the data from now? Can I get data right now? First of all, is it clear?
There.
Clear for you? Okay, just observe. Let me first of all, let me sure what was the name. Okay, student. Control C. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Let me drop all the table, right? System CRS. System CRS. Just observe. Show tables. Tell me how to drop table now. Which one?
Drop table name.
Student table, right? Drop table then. Student details, right? Is it okay, boss?
Yes. Yes, boss.
Now just observe. Let me run. Can we run once more time?
Okay.
Show tables. What are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Just observe. Let me run. Same thing. One-to-one relationship. Yeah, certainly both table are linked one-to-one relationship. Just observe. Let's first of all let me run once moment. Because already there was a table previously. So Hibernate is considering we are working with this table only. So it is modifying, right? It is altering. Right now you will not find. Simply two table will be created. Two table will be created. Just observe. Student details, student table. So now let me first of all this title. Show tables, okay? This type student table. So are you observing here how many columns are available? Are you observing? Please tell me how many columns are available, boss? Three columns na ID, email, student details ID. Is it clear?
Student details. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now observe the another one. This type then what? STD details now. Sum. So are you observing the same thing? Two table got created, right? Yes or no? Any confusion to understand why two table got created?
Yes, sir.
About when we delete one record from student, then automatically, obviously, right? Obviously, it will be deleted. For this purpose, we are writing a cascade type one, okay? But first of all, is it clear why two table got created? Just observe. First of all, is this point clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then tell me how to what? For example, let me select start from where
Select
student table. Just observe.
student table.
Is it clear? Then
Student
what?
null.
Yeah. Then, for example, okay, it should be null. Can you tell me why null? Like select start from where?
Because not pass.
Student table. Okay. No, not student table. What is the table name? Student base, right?
Student.
Student std details. Empty table. Oh, will be an empty tables. Start. Needs to be present at least. Select start from. Okay, let's observe what we are doing. Hibernate is doing now. Insert into student. Let's stop there. Let me do one thing. Let me check once more time. So yeah, what is the problem? Can you please tell me?
Insert into
Let me go on with the 101. Can you please tell me why the problem? Please tell me why the problem. Are we setting? Just observe. Is there any link between these two objects? Tell me, is there any link between these two objects?
No, sir.
How to make link? How to make a link?
Primary
Why
primary key.
Here student
Sir,
was
details.
object. Please set student in address. Now which one? Student address. Is it okay right now? Should I repeat once more time?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
On promise. Just
Not-
one. Let me drop two table and let me change here table name. Some table name. Instead of you, let me use your PD. Nothing more than this. Let me drop once more time. Just observe. Just observe. Drop table now. Which one?
Both one static details and STU youth
What's the name?
STU table tables STU क्या बता रहा है फॉरेन की बता रहा सर
No, nothing more than this. Just observe. Show tables. Okay. Now tell me. Drop table. Which one? First of all, student table. Okay. Drop table. Then which one? std underscore
details.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Scan. Just observe. Let me continue a few minutes. Okay. Don't worry. Vinay, are you listening or sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Now, just observe. So simply I didn't do anything now. I didn't do anything. Just tell me one point. Is there any relation between two objects or not? Right now there is a
No.
relationship, right? There is a relationship, right? Yes or no? Nothing more than this. So one object is pointing another object. Just observe. Let me run this program for the last time. Run this Java application. Just observe. Are you observing right now? It is inserting. It is inserting into places. Insert into student details. Student table. Are you observing?
Details. Yes, sir.
Drop from the database. Right. Select. Can we show tables?
Select as
Select start from where? Student table.
student details. Okay.
Select start from.
Now we got it. 101.
From where? Student.
Details.
Is it okay? Are you observing? We are getting now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let me just do one thing. Let me show this one also. Do ask the question now. If I delete this one, what will happen? So let me insert one more record. Nothing more than this. So I'm changing here only two. There are two. Like here, so okay, like two. Everywhere I'm using here two. Nothing more than this. Remaining I am keeping your same. Okay, rest of the on this. Now tell me what will happen. At this moment only you will tell me. Let me run right now.
Insert your application.
Moment table will not be created because why? Already table is available, right?
Yeah.
Are you observing?
Yes.
So why first of all it is selecting already this primary key is present or not. Whatever simply then it is telling out primary key is not available, it's fine. And simply it is inserted. Okay?
Insert, yeah.
Please tell me up to now any confusion or not.
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Clear.
So okay, already two data is available. You can check from the database also. Okay, two things are available. Okay. Now,
102.
Yes.
let me comment this line also. How to delete? Can you please tell me how to delete or how to update? Or how to delete? First one,
Delete
get now. How to get?
session dot read.
Session boss. I want to get. Which one, boss? Can we? Like
102.
Session dot
Sorry, session student class, student dot class.
What is the ID? One, na?
ID से है हमसे से foreign
ID.
case है.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Then what?
Print. Comment. Sys out.
And what is returning a session? Please delete this one now. Which one? Student, okay?
Yes.
Any confusion?
Okay.
No, sir.
What will be happen? Simply we are deleting the student object. Like we are deleting what?
Student object. Yeah.
But corresponding
Got it.
corresponding what? Corresponding and record will be also deleted, right? Corresponding object will be deleted also. That's all. Are you observing it is deleting two records?
Delete. हाँ. Yes sir. Delete. हाँ दोनों delete. Yeah. Yes sir. Both are deleted.
What you are asking?
No, sir.
Yes sir. Both are deleted.
Just continue a moment. So that means simply just a moment. Right now let me show. From student table na, and another point student details. Are you observing? That is not.
Yes.
Is it clear what does mean by cascade? Cascade type of. If we delete here, please delete here also. Okay. And if any confusion was, if you have any kind of question, you can access this model. I think I almost take multiple classes. Do I need to take any Hibernate classes?
No, sir, I haven't class.
Okay. First of all,
Currently,
maybe
no.
after any confusion on that, let me record the session first of all. Any confusion you can ask, let me record. Let me stop the recording. Okay?